morning, friends. Now's the moment you've been waiting for. I'm going to show you how I make the most delicious green smoothie ever. I have just a bag of spinach, you know, like you would find in any grocery store, and I've put it in the freezer, just as it is. So it's frozen in little, you know, each leaf is separate, frozen in little chunks. I put it into the blender. I have a Vitamix blender. You'd need a really heavy duty blender, I would think, to make it smooth. So I have about 3/4 full of just plain spinach. And then I have some mango and 2 pieces of banana. You can put 3 in it if you want to make it a little sweeter. And I have some frozen avocado slices. Not necessary. This is just something new that they had at Aldi's, and I'm like, that sounds good. Sometimes I put a couple pieces of frozen pineapple in. Whatever you got. But don't put anything red or blue in it, because it makes the green color of the spinach turn kind of a brownish color. And then it's just not appetizing anymore, even though it tastes good. I want my green to be really bright and beautiful when I ordain smoothie. A lot of kids that at the school will be like, it's green, But I'm like, isn't it beautiful? And I say, yeah, it actually is. I put a little splash of juicy juice mango in it, mango juice. It's just 100% juice. That's what I love. I love this juice so much. I put a little splash of it in my big water bottle, and just adds like a flavor. Like I've purchased one of those flavored waters, except it's 100% juice and no chemicals, and I love it. The next thing I use is organic protein. This one's really good. I think I have some sensitivity to soybeans and some sensitivity to milk. So the ones that are soy-based or milk-based, it's not really helpful for me to use it. But this one is plant-based without soy, and it's really tastes really good. This is a vanilla flavor. Just put 1 scoop of it in there. Got it all over my fingers. And then I put some ground flax meal. Just shake a little dash in at the top. If I had chia seeds, I would put those in too, but I ran out. I get all this stuff all the frozen fruit at Aldi's, because that's so cheap, and the flax meal at Aldi's, it's really great. The protein powder is sold at Walmart, but it's also sold at Kroger. I think it has been, but I'm not sure if it still is. And then I fill it up with water. I fill it up with water to the level of where my spinach was. And then I mix it up. And then I'm ready to go. So now I have it ready. I'm going to pour it into my cup. Okay, and then I have my big cup for now, for breakfast. And then I'm going to put one in a little mason jar for lunch. And then I have one for Dylan. He loves it. And one for Solomon. He loves it too. Alright, thanks for joining me. I hope you guys take steps to take good care of yourselves, because you are worth taking care of. Thanks, bye-bye.